So in this video, I'm going to be working on 3 examples, and I'm going to be teaching you guys a little bit about what midpoints actually are. And to give you a brief definition, midpoints are the points directly in the middle of a segment. So without further ado, the problem is telling us to find the point directly in the middle of a segment with endpoints 1, 3 and 4, 3. And so I'm going to present a formula that might be of interest to you, so pay attention, and here it is. And so this formula, or this idea at least, the point of it is to find the averages between the x positions and the y positions. And this will help us in achieving the midpoint. And so let me go over it with you. It's x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2 over 2. So what it's basically telling us here, as I said before, is that we have to add our x coordinates and then find our mean of it, and then we have to add our y and then find the mean. So let's get started with this example, and I'm going to be just plugging our values into this formula. And so here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to make some parentheses here and add a nice little comma. And so I'm just going to add these. This is the x1 and this is the x2. It'd be nice if I can get it in another color. And so let's add these numbers up. So 1 plus 4. Alright. 1 plus 4 over 2. And we're going to solve that later. We're going to simplify it down. And the next step is going to give us 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 over 2. And I'm sure you guys can simplify this down, but I'll do it with you guys. And let's switch to blue. And then we'll go off to the side here. And so 5 over 2, that's simply 2.5. So 2.5. And then 6 over 2, that's simply going to be 3. And so our y point here doesn't change. And so we're going to have y3. And then we're going to have our x as 2.5. So right here will be our midpoint. And I hope this was